love this beautiful country and this beautiful state.
Home sweet home. Does anyone know what this is?
Oh my goodness. The Germans. What's that for? The Germans.
You don't take a shower for a few days, you just run this in between your toes. That'll clean it out. Should I read the instructions or should I just send it?
This we're gonna try to go for like a more older finish, and
There's this tool that we got. Another tool. It's a series of wire brushes in here, and you get basically different thickness and hardness of wire brush, and it either takes out more or less of the soft material in the wood, making it look like it's aged. So we'll see. Here, take a look at this before, and then we'll run it through a few times and see what it looks like after. I'm gonna go in the very smallest, lowest setting to You know, I'm really impressed with how that worked. I thought that was gonna be a lot more work. Like, this thing is so heavy, you don't even have to like push down to do anything. But you see, it just gives it a little bit more texture. I think that's really cool. I thought that those brushes were gonna be a little bit too soft, but I think that's awesome, bro. What are your thoughts? Look at that.
German engineering at its finest.
Look, you can kind of see the individual grains. Gives it a little bit more of an aged look. What do you think, this or smooth? We also got our bar clamps in. So now our little benches are complete. Kind of get stuff situated. clamp it down. These things are proving to be very useful.
Stormtrooper! 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 I mean, look at the grains on that thing.
Nala keeps getting out of bed, checking to see if we're leaving yet. Comes out, pokes her head out. What's up, guys? Are we gonna go home yet? You're gonna go home yet? Bro.
2 days ago, we plowed our neighbor's driveway. The following morning, she gave us this banana bread.
Mm-hmm.
There's divine.
With a card, she said, "Thank you for plowing my driveway." That's what neighbors do here up here in Alaska. Yep. Show me that router in the back.
Oh, this is very cool. We took a piece of plexiglass, 3/8
I think it was called Lexon. Which, you know, I was thinking about that, and like it reminded me of a friend I had back in high school, Amanda Lexon.
So, we took a piece of Lexon and cut it out 18 by 18, and we took off the router base plate, which was a small circle. It's a little bit bigger than what's that frame. And put down this big 18 by 18 to do bigger spans so your router doesn't fall through. Pretty neat idea if you guys have a router.
It's amazing. It's a game changer.
It is.
You gotta do that to all your routers.
We're gonna buy more routers.
We need more we need more tools.